Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control automatic. Your new ride is just a phone call away.